My beloved child, today I stand before you. The tiredness in your eyes, the weight on your heart, the weakness in your soul, I am seeing all of it. Today, this Wednesday, is not just another day. It is the moment where you are not ending. But today, I am raising you again. You think you are weak. But I say, in my presence, weakness does not remain weakness. It becomes strength. Today, right now, in this very moment, I am awakening within you a strength you have never even felt before. My child, when you woke up today, your mind was anxious. Your body felt heavy. Your soul felt weak. But today, on this Wednesday, December 3 RD, I have come to tell you myself. I have come to turn your weakness into strength. Because whatever was collapsing inside you, I am the one lifting it. All your battles, all your exhaustion, all your pressures, I have watched them through the night. You were not alone. Even when you felt alone, I stood beside your bed. I heard the tiredness in your breathing. I felt the cry of your heart. And today I say, rise, my child, because today I have come to give you strength. My child, you see yourself as weak, but I see you far more capable than that. Your weakness does not stop me. Your weakness becomes the stage for my miracle. You have cried. I have counted your tears. You have broken. I have held your broken pieces in my arms. You have grown tired. That is why today, I am pouring new strength into you. Remember, where you fall, there I lift you. Where you stop, there I open the way. Where you grow weak, there my power appears. My child, you have fought many battles. People didn't see it, but I saw it. Your mind carried heavy burdens. Your soul struggled alone. But listen, you may grow tired, but I do not. You may stop, but I do not. You may lose, but my plan does not lose. Today, the pain, and weakness, and helplessness, and fear you are going through, is not your end. It is the beginning of my strength. My child, today I will not let you feel heavy. This morning I place my hand upon you, and I say, your burden is now mine. Your worry is now mine. Your night is now mine. Your weakness is now my responsibility. Today I give you new courage, new strength, new confidence, a new perspective, because I do not let you just survive. I make you shine. My child, you are in a place where you cannot see what lies ahead. But this is my specialty. I make a way where humans cannot. You are seeing only restlessness, but I am seeing breakthrough. You are seeing only obstacles, but I am seeing opportunities. You are seeing only weakness, but I am seeing the strength within you that has not yet risen. My child, every day you have been holding yourself together. Every day you have been carrying yourself. Every day you have been forcing yourself forward. But today I say, let go a little. Let me hold you. Because when you depend on your own strength, you grow tired. But when you depend on me, you rise. You are human. You are meant to feel weak. But I am God. And for me, making you strong is easy. My child, close your eyes. Feel my presence. Right now, in this very moment, I am breathing courage into your heart. The weakness you feel, today I am turning it into strength. What you think I cannot do, today I say, you can. What you fear, I am removing it. What seems impossible to you, I am making it possible. Because I am the one who brings beauty from ashes, testimony from brokenness, and turns weak people into warriors. My child, you had fallen inside. Your courage had broken. Your faith had shaken. But today, on this Wednesday, December 3rd, I am lifting you. I lift your soul. I lift your willpower. I lift your mind. I lift your faith. Today you will not feel small. Today you will not feel weak. Today you will not feel lost. Because today, you stand in my hands. My child, something inside you is changing right now. You may not feel it, but I am doing it. Your weakness is turning into strength. Your fear is turning into courage. Your delay is turning into breakthrough. Your tears are turning into blessings. Your pain is turning into purpose. From today onward, you will not be who you were yesterday, my precious child. Now I place my hand upon you, and I declare, your weakness is being turned into strength. Your exhaustion is being turned into power. Your falling is being turned into rising. Your sorrow is being turned into testimony. Today, this Wednesday, is becoming a turning point for you. Today, strength is flowing within you. Today, your steps are becoming steady. Today, your spirit is becoming strong. And now, I say to you, rise, my child. You are not weak. You are empowered by me. My peace, my strength, and my spirit be upon you, today and every day. Amen.